Hi guys, good morning, namaste. So guys, for today's video, I will show you how to drive a manual car. My husband will teach me how to drive a manual car. So let's go.
How excited you are?
A little bit excited, but the mixed emotion of nervous. Actually, this is the first time.
Okay,
So
don't be
now
nervous.
this
This is the steering. Okay, you need to make it this one. Start.
How I make it? No,
You just make. You can start.
start.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
Now your feet should be in clutch.
clutch.
Yeah.
This way.
Clutch.
I'm a little bit nervous. Okay. Clutch.
Okay. Full clutch, huh?
Full clutch.
Okay.
Clutch.
Full clutch and brake. Yeah. Full clutch. Full clutch. You have to press full clutch.
And
Yeah.
then
Okay. Now what you do? Leave it slowly clutch
okay.
and accelerator. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Push it, push it, push it.
Yeah, yeah. You can take wherever you want. Okay.
Accelerator.
Huh?
Accelerator.
Yeah. Slowly. Turn, 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 turn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's how you go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
Easy peasy, man.
It's easy peasy.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is like this.
Yeah. This is be careful with this one. Be careful. Be careful. Like yeah, slowly. You go slow. Now you just you stop. You have to press the clutch. Okay.
I have to press the clutch.
Clutch first, and then you have to
Press the
brake.
brake.
Yes.
Okay, again. Guys, again. One
Again.
more. Okay, one more.
Okay. One more.
Neutral.
If neutral, no need to press clutch. If in gear, you have to press the clutch. Okay. So if you start in neutral, no need to put in
Clutch.
a clutch. Okay. But then sometimes like if you are in up hills, like you have to
Put the clutch first.
put the clutch and brake. Okay.
Okay.
Get it?
I get.
Slowly, you have to leave it slowly. Clutch. Okay. Press foot in the clutch. Yeah. Slowly leave it and foot in accelerator. Don't make it in brake. Accelerator. Yeah. Accelerator. Yeah. Slowly. Okay. Slowly. Okay. Yeah. This is how you do it. Yeah. 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 Slowly. Slowly. Now, if you have to stop, you have to press a clutch.
Clutch and
Yeah.
brake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Full clutch first,
Uh-huh.
and then brake. Okay. Yeah.
It's like that.
This is how you
Stop.
stop the. You can go it like that. See. Slowly, slowly. Okay. What you do? You have to stop the car.
Stop. I will stop here.
Yeah. What you do? Accelerate. Yeah. Slowly. Yeah.
Bravo. Bravo.
Okay.
Aray ko. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Gear 1. Yes. You stop here.
I'll stop here.
Yeah. Again, let's go. Leave the clutch slowly and accelerator. Yeah. Slowly, slowly. Yeah.
Easy peasy, man.
Easy peasy, man. Huh? Easy peasy.
It's like same with automatic. It's just that you need some gear to move it strongly,
Mm.
especially in this
So
one.
you can stop here.
Stop.
Yeah. Clutch and slowly brake. Yes. Okay, let's move on.
Move on.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now you're on the way.
Not even in one day.
Oh,
I
you're
told you,
proud.
I'm
You're
very,
proud.
I'm
Huh?
very, you know, my knowledge is that wide.
Okay. Okay, stop here.
Stop here.
Mm. Again. Yeah. Now you're into it. Yeah. Now we will do it.
Oh.
Yeah. Stop.
Stop.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you know is the brake.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go again.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
Why you cannot believe your wife is extraordinary. I'm one of a kind.
Okay. Now just stop here.
Stop here.
Now, like if you have to change the gear, first, like in moving, while moving, you have to press clutch,
Clutch only.
clutch, and you have to put from 1 to make your car moving. In same way, you have to leave it to clutch and slowly. You can make it a little bit fast, no problem. But in same time, like you press the clutch, you put 2, and you leave it clutch, put accelerator.
Picture in the hills.
Let's go.
Let's go. Wait, number 1.
Okay. Now you have to press full accelerator.
Only like this, and then we go. We go.
We go. Okay. But today I will rest.
So guys, update. We are done for the first day of my training. In the ground, it's actually easy peasy.
Oh, easy peasy.
You know, I'm one of a kind.
Okay.
I'm very intelligent. So maybe I hope next time I can learn in the hills. And good thing that my husband is have long patience. So now we are going back home. So we just wake up for that one early in the morning. And this is my husband. that's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you learn something simple. Driving. Actually, I learned, and hopefully some people who is watching to me also learn how to simply drive a manual car in the ground. So maybe next time, another day, we will try to.
You will see driving you.
Yeah, we will try to learn again driving back in the hills. But for now, it's like this only. So I hope you enjoy and learn something. So that's it for today, and thank you. Good morning. Bye bye.